Gulf Coast Weather Solutions is sponsored by. Thank you for making Gulf Coast Weather Solutions one of your go-to sources for weather around the clock. From heavy downpours and severe storms to winter weather and the tropics, we've got you covered with accurate, reliable forecasts you can trust.
Next week is starting to look a little bit more stormy.
But look what's moving into the state of Texas.
Gulf Coast Weather Solutions.
Good evening, Southeast Texas and Southwest Louisiana. I'm meteorologist Lucas Bostrick. We're looking at our visible satellite and radar, sponsored by TAMCO, and we can see that for the past 4 hours, there's been some showers and storms out to our east, mainly in Mississippi, but over Southeast Texas and Southwest Louisiana, it's been pretty quiet overall, and we're not expecting to see any activity overnight into tomorrow, so it should be pretty quiet, and we will have a chance, though, coming up for the weekend that we'll talk about in just a minute. Now, looking at our regional current temperatures, right now it's 83 in Beaumont, 88 in Houston, 97 in Dallas and Waco, 99 in Wichita Falls, 103 right now in El Paso, and 83 in Jackson and Birmingham, 82 in Atlanta. Current local temperatures, we're running in the mid to upper 80s in general across Southeast Texas and Southwest Louisiana, but still at this hour, it's 91 in Conroe, 93 in Spring, and 90 in Katy. Very hot out there. And our 24-hour temperature change, we can see it's running about 1 to 3 or 4 degrees compared to what it was 1 day ago exactly. So near what it was for yesterday. Not really normal, but just about what it was for yesterday. And our development chances for the tropics are going to be pretty much zero over the next 7 days. Not seeing anything developing in the Atlantic Basin anytime soon. And our futurecast coming up for tomorrow is going to feature pretty quiet weather, sponsored by Switch Electric. We can see early in the morning hours, we don't really have any activity, just some southwest winds. So it's going to get hot again out there. And by early afternoon, still no activity. Maybe a shower, maybe. That's just a big maybe about getting one shower tomorrow. So it's going to be pretty quiet out there overall. And that's just simply because high pressure is still pretty in control at this time. It's centered tomorrow evening over around Las Vegas out to our west. But as we get into the weekend, we'll have the ridge weaken a bit and bring in some northerly flow with a weak cold front pushing down, which will bring us a chance of some isolated thunderstorms, particularly Saturday evening into Sunday morning early. So definitely we'll be watching for that. But for now, lows tonight, sponsored by Silsby Forward, can get you one, are going to be in the mid to upper 70s out there into the lower 80s near the coast. Highs tomorrow are going to be hot again, mid to upper 90s likely, and definitely don't want to be out and about too much if you're out in the heat of the day. And if you are, make sure you're drinking lots of proper fluids. Now, our 7-day outlook is calling for a chance of some storms over the weekend at about 30%. Better coverage towards the coast is what we're thinking right now. Saturday late evening into Sunday morning early. And the temperature is basically staying very consistent around 95, 96 for the highs the next 7 days. Normal high right now, 93. And Lake Charles and Kinder, chance of storms possible coming up for Saturday into Sunday morning, and that should say 20% there for Saturday also, along with Sunday morning. But we definitely will see those chances of rain going into early next week, in the mid part next week. Make sure that you have the Gulf Coast Weather Solutions app. It's available right now on iOS and Google Play. Gives you the latest weather updates to stay informed about any type of changing conditions, and we know how fast they can change. Although right now it's looking pretty quiet for the next few days, but still a great app to download for whenever it does get active. Also, check out our YouTube channel at youtube.com/GulfCoastWX for our twice daily weather videos that we post. And also check out our Facebook page, facebook.com/Gulf Coast Weather Solutions, for additional weather updates here at Gulf Coast Weather Solutions. All right, everyone, have a good evening and check out Johnny's Friday forecast coming up tomorrow morning.